Hey everybody, how's it going? Well, I just got something in the mail. I wanted to show it to you. It says to Scott, have fun. From Steve. Steve is from the UK, Herne Bay in the UK. Let's see what he sent me. He's a chalk artist. I mean, he's not a chalk artist, he's a chalkboard artist. And he does lots of signs too. And he's done some window painting too, but whoa, check these out. There's a whole box of them. There's tons and tons. Oh man. Look at, and it's got this big wide nib on it. Check that out. It looks like a razor almost. It's so big. Have to figure out how to get these off though. Oh, there we go. And I guess you push on them. But I'll have to make a video using these. Hey, thanks, Steve. You're awesome. Say hi to Molly. Hi, Molly.